Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this watch. So water lag mode basically disables the touchscreen, and if you disable the water lag mode, the touchscreen will work again. And this is useful, for example, if you want to take a shower with your watch on, or maybe swim with your watch on your wrist, because water is conductive and it will make the screen of your watch probably go a bit crazy if you don't lock it. That's why there is the water lag mode. And to enable it, you need to wake up the screen on your watch by tapping on the screen. Then you can press the side button to open the controls menu, and here scroll down and look for this water droplet icon. And once you find it, you can tap on this icon and the water lag mode will be enabled. You can tell by this icon right here at the top, and now the touchscreen will be locked. You will be able to use your touchscreen. And you can now take a shower with your watch or go for a swim. And to unlock the screen, you need to press and hold the down button. You will hear the sound from your speaker, basically trying to eject the remnants of the water in your speaker. And after the sound is gone, you will be able to use the touchscreen again. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.